Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader on XAUUSD. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And my dear friends, I'm extremely sorry I could not upload videos for the last couple of days because of some urgent work. Again, day after tomorrow, I will not be able to upload any video. So please do not mind. So this is a 15-minute chart of gold USD. If instead of the 4-hour chart, we are in the 15-minute chart of gold USD, so that we can understand the levels better for today. As you can see, that right now market is trading at 1943. This is the current market price here. And if you have watched my previous videos, then you know about the level of 1949 to 1950 very well, because we have discussed many times about this level, that it is a very important resistance in the market. We could expect selling pressure and all. So as per our expectation, today after the market opening, market went up, market failed to cross this level, and market came down immediately. So 1949 to 1950 is still a valid resistance, still a very strong resistance for the market. So if you have already taken a sell position, then hopefully you made good profit, because we have been talking about this level for the last couple of weeks. So hopefully you made good profit. I could not make any profit because I was sleeping. So 1949 to 1950 is still a valid resistance for the market. So if market goes up again, you can expect selling pressure around this level again. If you see price being rejected from above, if you see shooting star kind of a pattern or anything like that, you get the confirmation that 1949 to 1950 is still a valid resistance, and you can take a sell position. So this is your first opportunity. If we consider the trend of the market in the 15-minute chart here, we can see that market is bullish right now. So considering the trend of the market on the 15-minute chart, there is a possibility that market may break the level of 1950 also. So if market breaks the level of 1949 to 1950, if you see market going up, then do not take a buy position immediately, because keep in mind that 1949 to 1950 is a very strong resistance. So if market breaks also, then observe the market for some time, because there is a possibility of a false breakout as well. To save yourself from false breakout, waiting is the best option. Wait for some time and see how the market is doing. If you see that the breakout is real, the size of the candles are big enough, and if you see that market is trading comfortably above 1940 and 1950 level for quite some time, then you can go for a buy. But when market will first hit this particular level, observe the market first. Yes, when market will hit the level, observe the market first and see how the market is reacting. If you see price being rejected from above, then you get the confirmation that price will reverse and you can take a sell position. But if you see the size of the candles are big enough, market is trying to break the resistance, then do not sell. Then just observe, wait and watch. If market breaks the level, go for a buy, because see, no level in the market is permanent. Resistance becomes support, support becomes resistance. So be careful. Observation and waiting is very essential part of our trading journey. And if market breaks this level of 1949 1950, then the strongest resistance in this market as of now, okay, I'm not talking about 2000 2017 or in this market as of now for us, is 1963, 1963 to 1966. This is the strongest resistance for the chart of gold right now. In case market breaks this level and starts going up, then we can definitely expect some selling around this level. If you see again price being rejected from above, if you see a shooting star kind of a pattern, bearish pin bar pattern or bearish engulfing pattern, you get the confirmation that the resistance zone of 1963 to 1966 is still a valid resistance. Sellers are present in this level and you can take a sell position. Okay, so in the chart of gold, we have got two strong resistances. 1963-66 is the strongest resistance. Okay, and this is the second resistance or the medium resistance right now. And in case market goes down, then the first good support, yes, I'm talking about the good support. If market goes down, then first good support you can expect around 1932 to 1933 level. 1932 to 1933 level. Why this level is important? This level is important as a support because of the red line, the 200 moving average. See, the 200 moving average, and many times the moving average has provided support to the market, so we can expect that the 200 moving average will be providing support again. Plus we also have the Fibonacci 50% retracement level. So if we combine these two factors, Fibonacci 50% and 200 moving average, then there's a good possibility that market will be taking support around this level. If market bounces, if you see hammer kind of a pattern, or a bullish pin bar or bullish engulfing pattern or any good price rejection from below in this level, you can definitely take a buy position. And the strongest support in this chart, the strongest support in this chart is around 1915 to 1916. This is the strongest support. So this is the strongest resistance, this is the strongest support. This is also a good resistance, this is also a good support. Okay, so these four levels are very important on the chart of gold USD right now. And one more level that I would like to talk is 1938. Between 1938, I won't say that 1938 is a very strong resistance or support, but yes, there if market breaks this level, if market breaks 1938 and starts falling, then there is a possibility of market going down by another 40 to 50 pips. If you want to take a sell position below 1938 level, you can take a sell position below 1938, but be careful, this is not a very strong level. Beginners, new traders, you can avoid trading on 1938 level. Otherwise, the levels that I have discussed so far are good ones. You can trade on those levels only. If you are someone who cannot afford to lose any money right now, if you are in a very tight spot, then trade on these levels only, these four levels that I have just taught. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.